Sometimes it seems that Python adding to the environment variables doesn't quite work, especially if you've tried to install something previously. So for example, I type Python dash dash version and it says it wasn't found. One thing you can do is you can try to reinstall. Just go back to downloads and run the installer again. Click modify, skip over this page and click on this add Python to environment variables. If you've already tried that and it doesn't work, you can try to do it yourself manually. So make a note of this custom install location. In my case, I chose to install for all users, but you may have just done it for yourself. So it'll be in your user/app data folder. And then to get to environment variables, you click on the start menu, start typing env. It should come up with edit the system environment variables. And then this panel that opens up is system properties. You can click down here, environment variables, and there's a whole bunch of stuff. The ones that you want to edit are the system variables for the path. So scroll down to where it says path, double click, and there's a whole lot of stuff on mine because I have a bunch of things. Down here at the bottom, you can see I have my old version of Python, Python 38. So if I go back to my Python installer, I'm trying to install 3.10, and for some reason it didn't want to add that to the path. So you can either delete these old ones. I'm just going to go through and delete it in case you didn't have any other Python ones. And then I'll just say new, and you can click browse and go to the path where you installed it. So again, in my case, it's C program files Python 3.10. If it is in your user app data, then you can click on your username and scroll down to where it says app data, and then it'll probably be something like local/Python, etc. But in my case, I put it in C program files and Python 3.10. So I'm going to say OK, and there it's added the path to Python. I'm going to select that and copy it, Control C, and then say new. Oh, I can't do Control C apparently. I'll just type it. Program files/Python 3.10 and scripts. So you want to add both the path to Python and the Python/scripts. Then I hit OK. OK. I'm going to cancel this because I'm not actually doing it. Can keep on saying OK. One thing I want to point out, if I just type now Python version here, it still doesn't know where it is because it needs to reload the path. And the easiest way to do that is just to close git bash. And then I can say git bash. And now when I type Python, it finds it. Hopefully that helps for you as well.